Okay, guys, we're going to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven?
7-Eleven for breakfast.
Hello. Say hello. Let's go outside, guys. This is the wagon. So hot. I don't want bangs anymore. Daddy's driving. Oh no, my hair. My hair. She's so cute, and I've tried her before, but not every. So we're going to 7-Eleven. See you at 7-Eleven. Morning. My mom is speaking to Ate Michelle. I love Halloween so much.
For the kids.
And Christmas.
Or trick or treat.
They're my favorite days. Holidays. We're 7-Eleven, guys. We're in 7-Eleven. Why not, Michelle?
Araw-araw daw sila mga ngaruli
Okay.
Bite me.
They're so slow. Not that. So it's not just. Okay, what should I get? Daddy, I want hot dog. Filipino. I want hot dog. Without. This is a Philippine.
This one? Or hot dog only?
I like the red. With no sauce. With no sauce.
You eat breakfast with me?
I will eat hot dog.
Okay. What do you want? You eat hot dog?
Mommy, you get the hot dog.
Hot dog.
Filipino. I will find for Daddy. Daddy, where are you? What I should get? But I should get drink. Should I get my favorite drink? Daddy, what I should get? What I should pick, guys? What I should pick it, guys? Comment down below. You guess what I'm getting? I think this over here. This is what I got. It's jelly lichin nata de coco. Nata de coco. Mommy, where's my hot dog? Let's eat the hot dog. Pikachu! Pikachu, so cute. understand there's another. I don't want this.
Why? It's like a cheese.
I don't like cheese anymore.
Oh, like the cheese hot dog? Nice, yeah. You don't like the cheese anymore? Maybe mommy wants it.
Why?
Like
Put the cheese in there. She don't want the cheese.
yummy.
So I'm going to show you guys our healthy breakfast. I had the Spam Onigiri, and then some jelly lychee, 2 hot dogs, and Choco Mucho. She had hot dogs, and then we have Cheetos. So very healthy breakfast. Is that good, Fifi? Fifi, is that good?
Yeah.
Too busy eating? Can't believe we're eating that for breakfast. Uh-oh, you're dropping it. You okay? Oh, I like your dress. Who is that?
Minnie Mouse.
Amy. Let me see yours. Who is that? Kuromi? Come on.
This is my baby sister. She's so crazy and noisy. The noisiest in the house.
Plastic bottle.
Yeah.